Today in this video I would like to share with you a face toner. It will improve the texture of your skin. It will give you fairer and simpler complexion in some time. They will help you fight acne and different kinds of skin problems. So let's get started. Cabbage. Take one small piece of cabbage, wash it well. Cabbages can also improve the quality of your skin. Cucumber. Take a piece of cucumber, wash and cut into small pieces. Using cucumber can help maintain the oil balance of your skin. It acts as an astringent to tighten your skin pores and reduce sebum oil secretion. Blend cucumber and cabbage well. Strain this juice with a strainer. If you store in fridge, you can use this for 1 week. Transfer this juice to a spray bottle or bottle. How to use. After cleaning your face, you massage and keep it for 30 minutes. Use it daily for a visible result. It will remove all your dark spots, wrinkles, pigmentation and suntan.